You don't have to guess. I'll just show you. Oh my god. Okay, calm down. I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It's recycled vinyl. That's interesting. I wonder how that works. So I have already listened to her whole album. I ordered this, I think the day after it was released because it was on sale, which was nice. It's beautiful. I'm going to gently, so gently. Oh, Billie Eilish has been there through so much for me. Okay, so all the lyrics are in here. That's nice. And now we're gonna pop it into the record player and give it a listen. Okay, so this is the front and the back of this first sleeve. I'll get my brush real quick, brush that off. Beautiful. Up.